just I work with it and see how it's the first time I check now. Fry, cook, whatever. Oi! Oi! The leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright. Well. At the leverage. Yo, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. And today we have a special cooking vlog. Yeah, as you see in the description, shark. Well, as you know, me and Clay always go fishing whenever I catch nothing but the boy Clay go, I think Miami.
Yeah, Miami.
Yeah, Clay go Miami and catch a shark, which you will see in this clip right here. I'll show you the clip right now. You catch a shark, some picture and a video, and then fillet it. So then fillet it now, I will say, yo, we never tried shark before, you know, so here we have it. We have a couple pieces, just few pieces because it's the first time.
Not much, just very clean.
Yeah, so we already wash it with some lime juice, I must say. Yeah, and then we got some bombs now, and we are going to do a little seasoning. So we're going to try it for the first time. So what we're going to do, we're going to season him up and add flour and then fry him, and then we're going to tell you how it tastes. So we get started. We're just going to work with the ancestors, them nothing special because I don't know. I'm a chef, but we know for the things, so we work with what we already know. And we're just seasoning until we like it and just deal with the badness. So yeah, the shark, well, it kind of look, I want to think.
In my opinion, pretty pieces of meat. Cleaner than any other fish we ever catch. I may catch now snapper, this, that and the third. One of the cleanest fish meat never see.
Well, we're gonna see what it tastes like. Well, we're gonna fry it and see what it tastes like, but we're just got some bombs now and just add some seasoning right now. We don't have no fish seasoning, but don't watch this, it's a chicken seasoning, but I just season, we just make it.
A Jamaican way, we make it work, you know?
We make it work, yeah. So we should put in a bowl and come and like really put it, you know what?
American way of seasoning this. People stay tuned, we'll be right back.
Yeah, we're go. No, we're gonna show them. We'll show them all our seasoning real quick. Yeah, we'll show them. Yeah, so we'll just add black pepper. Yeah man, quickly add some black pepper. Normally we put Jamaican way, we just put in a base. I mean, move fast if we put in a base and just season because it's kind of all over the place and kind of messy. But right now, we just add some stuff. These are the parsley. We just add some stuff. You know, onion powder. You know, you can't go wrong with onion powder. Oh my. Work with the ancestor. Well, this one look like it kinda doing knocking, you know. Black people segment. Yeah. Throw some in my hand still coming. I like. Why? It's tough, man. It's tough. It's tough. No man, that one not tough. Try.
Happy?
Okay, a little bit of that on it. Then we have the garlic powder. What this now? First, I see that one here, but
Garlic as well.
garlic and pepper.
Pepper.
So yeah, we can add a little bit of that because
Why not, you know?
why not? Yeah. Wow, with it. Yeah, man, I mean, come like a long time I mean I use, but yeah.
I know some music yesterday.
Yeah.
Just the weather. The weather out with it, just make them top up very quickly.
Okay. So let's add everything.
Florida weather, 1 minute it cool, next minute it hot, you know?
Well, with that. Yeah. So with us, maybe it look like a little bit too much seasoning, but since I only season normally with a
Flour it.
season the flour, but
Oh yeah. And the thing is too, me here say with shark meat is a little more tough than regular fish meat.
wow, so we're gonna
So it's seasoned with soaking. We match the thickness of the strip them, the fillet them, you know?
Oh, and one thing I forget. We shot this a catch, Clay. Wait.
Blackfin shark.
Blackfin shark.
Legal bag, legal harvest, 60-pound shark, you know? Over 54 inches, which is a legal limit, you know? So, very clean meat, bro. I can see that.
Boy.
Flour. However sharp meat. And with seasonings and shit, you know?
Yeah, so right now, flour normally, you know, whatever, put little all-purpose, complete season are really salty, so we can use that. Just, yeah, see it there. Flour and done, you know. Yeah, so it's our 4 pieces of shark. First time I try shark. Wanna see, so guys, Leverage Nation, we are going to add some oil to the pot, and then we get back when we put the fish, the shark, not fish, the shark fry, and then show that process. So we back. Leverage. Popping up.
Yes, people.
Yeah, so we're gonna try the shark right now. Put in some little scotch bonnet pepper in it. You see it there? Make the oil get heated up a little, hot up, you know? So, yeah. I think here, put it on. Like I said, first time we're trying the shark, you know? First time, so just I work with it and see how it's the first time yeah, check now. Fry, cook, whatever. Oi! Oi! Yes, so Leverage Nation, back again. Now, we have the shark, and we're going to start frying them. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro. Yes. Right now, So Leverage Nation right now, I'm going to just try them for about maybe, I don't know, maybe 5 to 10 minutes. And then afterwards, we're going to see how it tastes. So we'll get back next time when I see it. If I got in our plate, and we're going to taste test. So you know the leverage. Leverage. Alright, Leverage Nation. See it there? Fry shark. Right now, I smell the aroma. It's come like it. It tastes good, you know. What do you think? First time shark. Just fry him up. And right now, we're gonna taste it. So, you want the honors, Clay? Or you want...
Sure. Shit, the flaker them I expect.
When you say shark.
But not lie, I watch some video on shark prepping and shark cooking and taste test and all that. Everybody always say it tastes, well, white people may always watch, but them always say it tastes like pork chops. But to me, it just tastes like a stronger version of a snapper, really and truly. It just tastes like regular fish, you see me? And it really tastes like nothing except fish. I think it would have like a salty taste or a tough taste, but it's flaky, it's chew proper. The seasonings, I don't know if I thought it was the same seasonings, but it is just like when I fried the snapper. So, well, that's it. A solid 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. Because it's not quite a snapper, but it's close. But one thing we can say is I will definitely not be harvesting the next blackfin shark. Just catch and release, because when I release to the point plus 60 pounds of meat is quite a lot. So yeah, that's my opinion, isn't it?
Alright, so Leverage Nation, moment of truth. First time I tried the shark, so let's see. Actually, it tastes good. It tastes like fried, not regular. Maybe a fried tilapia or something. Fried fish, but it actually tastes good. Tastes like chicken to me. That one? This have a leverage.
You want it to have a leverage, I want the next piece to show us you have a leverage.
Have a leverage right now, this bad. Right now, me that give it a strong 9.5 out of 10, man. Leverage. So that's it, Leverage Nation. You see? Clay catch a shark. Do a cooking, fried, and taste it. And about 9.5 out of 10 we give it kind of bad. Nothing like good. Very good, delicious. So yeah, man, until next time, Leverage Nation, you don't know a thing go. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more of these content. You don't know we have the vlog, the cooking, the chat, and everything, the review them. So this is part of a cooking review. So you know the leverage. Remember, like, comment, share, and subscribe again. And make sure I want to see leverage them in the comment section. So type the leverage them. So until next time, Leverage Nation, I'm out. You will know the thing go.